deviled egg salad. It may be the
Beautiful
first toast I have ever made without burning the toast. Anyway, you can cut white bread into quarters. We want to have little slider size things. This is an appetizer. And then we keep them warm by putting them in their little like toast cozy with their warmer, that little warmer stone at the bottom. I'm going to save 2 here to show you how we make the sandwiches. But then you can just put them out on your buffet like this, and people can make their own. So here's our hard-boiled eggs, and I have 12 here. And that'll give you about 4.5 to 5 cups of egg salad, right? Which is good for 6 to 8 people. We're going to take 1 clove of garlic, grate it in there, and a few tablespoons of a small onion. Look how tiny this little guy is. And you only need about 3 tablespoons of onion. Why do I want to grate the onion right over the bowl? To get the onion juice. That's what makes the egg salad delicious. A little salt and pepper, of course. And these are deviled eggs. So, of course, a little or a lot of hot sauce, depending on who you're feeding. A little sprinkle, about a teaspoon of paprika. A couple of dashes of Worcestershire. A good scoop, couple of tablespoons of pickle relish. And then mayo, or I actually use Vegenaise, which is made out of chickpea liquid, fresh dill, and a squirt of yellow mustard. And that's the deviled egg salad. It's as simple as that. You mix this all together with a little paddle. We're going to take the lightly toasted quartered white bread or little loaves, right? And I'm going to pile up the salad, and then I'm going to top it with a couple of little bread and butter pickles, and then just a sprinkle of greens, whatever you like. I have some iceberg, and as I said, a little bit of celery tops or micro celery here. Pop the other little guy on top. Take a couple of toothpicks, just to give people a goal, right? This is what you're going to do, kind of a thing. And then we pop that on the edge, and now they know where they're going, where they're driving the car.